going the other way around from being a social media influencer, gusto mo pumasok sa showbiz. Bakit?
Kasi po, I'm not for fame. Yung gusto ko sa showbiz, I get to express my emotions. Yung acting po yung gusto ko doon. About yung napapakita ko yung iba't ibang personality ko. And at the same time, mas napupush ako. Kasi when it comes to being an influencer, it's a routine-based po eh. Parang ito yung ginagawa ko. And what I love about being in the showbiz is iba-ibang characters siya. So, mas nakahasa ako as a person.
Was there a specific childhood experience or memory na nag-inspire sa'yo para pumasok sa showbiz?
Childhood memory. Well, actually, a little bit background. Wala pong nasa industry ng family ko. They're all in the business side industry. So, it really was my own decision to enter the showbiz industry. Pero even before po kasi nanonood, meron kasi kaming TV sa house. And nanonood kami ng mga teleseries like Marimar, yung mga ganun po. And also, hindi lang naman din GMA, nanonood din kami ng ABS. So parang doon, sabi ko, I want to become a star one day. I want to be seen on television and to express my emotions and my craft as well.
So it's safe to say na idol mo si Marian?
I really look up to Miss Marian kasi she's really a great actress. And along with her po, I really love Miss Heart Evangelista din because of how she dresses up and show herself. Yes.